Foodist Uncut. Foodist stuff behind the scenes, you know what it means.
Foodist Films is a restorative business that employs extraordinary people who create premium work.
Top 5 meal right here.
I agree.
My name is Josh, and I'm a videographer and editor here at Foodist Films. My favorite part about Foodist is probably the amount of creativity that we get to shoot, and eating a lot of food. That's great too. So a ditty is actually a completely made up term that was made up here at Foodist, and they're essentially like mini GIFs or video clips that we shoot that could be video or stop motion photo and given to the clients for ads, marketing, that sort of thing. So for stop motion with photos, it can be super easy because we can take all of the photos, say there's 200 photos, stick them all on the timeline, you just highlight them all, and then we can set them to be exactly the same amount of frames, maybe 2 frames each, and then ripple delete them so they just go all together and essentially make the video, in 10 seconds or less like that.
Well, we love Josh here at Foodist. He is a really great videographer. When I first met him, I was just really impressed with his background. He not only jumped in and started working with food, but he was able to bring his video experience to that, and it's just made our videos so much better. So it's been really great having him